AI is changing everything in 2026, and most people are still sleeping on the easiest ways to make money with it. So today, I'll show you the beginner-friendly blueprint anyone can use to start earning, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to AI Crypto Lab. Make money with AI. Secure freedom with Bitcoin. Live life on your terms. There are 3 ways people earn with AI in 2026. Level 1. AI tasks, simple income and fast money. Level 2. Digital products, scalable income you can sell over and over. And level 3. AI automation, the real freedom income. If you're brand new, start here. AI tasks are small services you can offer right now without any experience. You can write captions, design images with prompts, create content ideas, do basic video edits, clean up audio, rewrite social media posts, or repurpose content for creators. These tasks are fast, simple, and they help you build your first online income. This is where real money starts. Digital products are things you create once and sell forever. Template packs, prompt packs, ebooks, CapCut presets, Notion dashboards, or viral hooks like the ones in my hook pack. Digital products scale because they don't require your time for every sale. This is how you build income that grows while you sleep. When you understand AI tools, you can start automating your work, content workflows, captions, emails, research, thumbnails, even full editing pipelines. Automation is the secret to leveling up from a side hustle to real freedom income. If you want tools and templates to get started, you'll find them in the link below. Here's the exact beginner blueprint for 2026. Step 1. Learn one simple skill. Step 2. Use AI to speed it up. Step 3. Build one digital product. Step 4. Post content every day so people find you. Step 5. Earn and reinvest your profits into Bitcoin. Step 6. Build a life where you can work from anywhere. This is the simplest path to financial freedom in 2026. So that's the beginner-friendly AI money blueprint. Start small, stay consistent, and build your freedom with smart tools and smart choices. AI Crypto Lab helps you build financial freedom with AI tools, digital products, and Bitcoin. Learn AI. Master crypto. Live free.
Lamborghini sitting pretty bitches prettier. Yes, she's a model. I got money in my pocket, money coming by the Trello. Gave you everything you wanted. Then you started acting childish. I get money in abundance. Hey, these bitches need me like feed me, they greedy. Don't care about